What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I have a special announcement today. We are moving out to the house, and we got something really awesome to tell you. We are going to be launching another channel with our homestead. So we're going to be covering homesteading. We're going to be covering gardening, home improvement, vlogging, all that fun stuff associated with the house. So let's take a look at what we've been doing so far. And I'll tell you about the new channel. I'll give you links to the new channel, and I'll tell you what's going to stay on here and what's going to be over there. So join me. It's Wednesday.
Howdy, y'all.
What's up? Boy, I was missing my Blue Mountains during the week. As soon as we got here and I took one look at them, I was like, wow, yeah, it's great to be back, right? Back there moving the barbecue out there. I think we're going to barbecue something today. It'll be our very first cook out here. So let's take this first load and see how it goes. Yeah, this trailer's pretty full. I did manage to bring a couple chairs and my patio table so we can eat out there. So here I am. I'm at the drive. So it's pretty dry out here today. We didn't get much rain, and it's kind of dry. The grass is dry out here. So look at that. We need some rain this week. Woohoo! Yeah, there's Flash in his little cart. I love driving this thing. Whoa! Okay. A lot of people have asked, why has it taken us so long to move? It's because we have full-time jobs during the week, and so we could only do limited packing. We are going to be hiring a mover, but we wanted to move some of the stuff ourselves. Plus, we can't pack it all at once. So if we had the mover come, everything needs to be packed in. We have to do this over a little bit of time. So it's going to take us a little bit of time, but we're working on it. Okay, we got to unload this trailer. We got a lot of fun stuff up in here. And right here, we're doing our lawn. Our patio furniture. So, thanks, Flash. It's hot out here. It's hot. So what's the strategy, Boo? Yeah, we got the Breville, the Kenwood cooking chef.
That's not the cooking chef.
What is that?
It's your titanium chef.
Oh, we have
The cooking chef is 3 times the size.
the Bosch is back there. We have all Scrappy-Doo. And we got a KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus.
You also have
Professional HD.
You have your
Have some,
commercial 8 is buried back there.
and we have the KitchenAid ProLine food processor. Ooh, yeah, boy. So
is that all going in the dungeon, or is it going up into the bedroom?
Breville, that Breville,
Bedroom or
sous chef.
dungeon?
Breville sous chef is pan room 1. Kenwood is pan room 1. Those KitchenAids are pan room 1. Scrappy-Doo is pan room 2.
Oh, sorry, Scrappy.
Bosch is pan room 1. Yeah. So now we got the stuff back there. That wasn't easy getting in there. That's all I got to say. We saved it, so.
Yeehaw.
Well, that went okay. We got it up on the porch, and so I think we have the full set up there. We have all 5 chairs up there, Boo, and the table.
6 chairs a table.
6 chairs a table.
We just don't have the umbrella.
Don't have the umbrella. Tired, right? So, what do we got going now? We have a mix of pan room 1 and pan room 2 in this trailer. So we got to sort them out, take pan room 1 stuff up to the garage and take pan room 2 stuff down to the basement. So you guys are wondering about our new homesteading channel. I will put links down in the description. We are Blue Ridge Mountain Homestead. Even with a red nose, we're Blue Ridge Mountain Homestead. I'll put links in the description.
Got the wolf. Ouch.
Ooh, coming through. I'll put links in the description to the homesteading channel. Please come and join us. We're going to have a lot of fun gardening and home improvement and everything you can think of. Everything that's not cooking related. So Amy Learns to Cook is going to stay exactly the same. We're going to do the cooking, we're going to do the gadgets, we're going to do all the fun stuff we've always done on Amy Learns to Cook. We're going to continue to do that. The homesteading channel is for people that like all the other stuff, that like vlogs, like home improvement, gardening, everything. Some of the stuff that we grow. Woo! Woo, look at that. I see an ant coming through.
Oh, this is ink number 1.
Ink, is that 50?
I don't know. 50's in one and full price is in the other.
So we have everything gardening related. We will be using some of the food that we grow on Blue Ridge Mountain Homestead. We're going to be using it in Amy Learns to Cook. So for those who like cooking videos, oh, I see something else coming through.
The other ink.
The other ink. So those who like cooking videos and everybody who likes everything else, come on over and join us, Blue Ridge Mountain Homestead. I'll put a link here. We are officially launching. As of the release of this video, we are officially launching our first video over on Blue Ridge Mountain Homestead. So go on over there and take a look at it. The first video is just kind of introducing the channel, introducing us a little bit and why we decided to do this, right? It's kind of a corny little video, but it was something I sort of made from the heart. So go ahead and check that out. We're going to be uploading hopefully there every other day. Hopefully. Don't hold me to that though. But yeah. So what's coming through here? I see a Breville coming through here. So as soon as this is loaded up, we're going to be taking this down to the basement. Now that is pan room 1, first load, and that right there is fantastic. We got Ank, and Wolfie.
I stay 50 feet back.